Wait, this way, so you can find the opening. Look. Okay, right here. Open right there. See?
I see.
What is it? What is it?
You can take that off, baby, if you want. Okay.
Pull it here, turn.
Look!
What is it?
Cubbies!
Yeah.
The table you can color on.
The table to color on. More presents?
Whoa!
Are you sure that one's yours?
No.
What is it?
What is it?
No, bend down, baby. Bend down.
What is it? Blocks.
What?
Legos.
You can take that off here. Let me take that off. You got it?
Wait. You gotta move your blocks over here. Yeah, put them over here.
Right here.
Okay, let's get another present. Which one? Wait. Where are you going? Okay, go.
Oh.
You gonna open that one? Is it?
Yeah, there's no that one.
Okay. Hey, Caleb, turn and look at Dad. Turn around. That's fine.
I think Santa Claus put too much tape on that one. You need help? You need help? No, I'm just up. You got it?
What is it? What is it?
It's a football game.
A football.
No, it's football game.
Huh?
A football game?
Let's take care of every little bit of pee.
You. You. I think I have a name. It's Mama.
You're sticky? All right, let's see what else we got. Some of those presents aren't yours back there.
Not those. Over here.
That one's good.
No.
You want to open that one?
No. He wants the big box.
Oh.
A big box.
Big box. Can you pick it up? Whoa! You almost knocked the tree over. You want to get up and help him?
Right. Just open it. Just open it right there. Just open it right there.
Open it.
What is it?
What is it? Do you know?
What is it?
It made tipping.
It's a what?
It made tipping.
Oh, awesome.
The water pisses.
More presents?
Caleb, look at Mom.
The way goes.
What's this? Riley, what is it? Oh my God, what is it?
Go big. Big.
Gator golf.
You could go by golf in the
I know what he does. Okay, put him over here. That's good enough. You don't need to get every tape off. Hey, put your present over here. Yep. You got more to open.
Look. Those two do that. Oh, down there in the
Caleb.
tree. Give those two to do that.
No, just let him finish.
Wait.
Come on, Caleb.
Finish. Open up.
Oh, what is it? He shakes it. What is it?
Bucket of Army Men.
It's Army Men from Toy Story.
Is this?
Yeah, that one's yours.
That's yours.
Oh no, that one's not yours.
Oh, no, not that one. Put that one down.
That's for Mama.
Put it down.
You remember.
Okay, I'll open it in a little bit.
You remember.
Thank you.
Your mama. What's that? Yeah, that's yours. Let's see what's in there.
Okay. So these are heads. This
What is it?
That's cool.
Chris.
Okay.
Get it open. What is it?
Emma.
It's a basketball.
A basketball.
Get
Yeah.
over here. Come.
Cover your mouth, bud. Alright, let's open that one right there. No.
One for you.
Yeah, let's open that one.
And mine too.
Yeah, that's yours too.
That's her head.
What is it?
That's her head.
What is it?
Hockey.
Let me see. Show me.
Show Dad.
Caleb. Show me the hockey. What is that? Awesome.
You.
Thank you.
I go.
Open that.
All right.
My box.
What?
What?
Rainbow box.
How do you know it's a
That's
book?
not a book.
Let's open it and see.
That's a card.
Is it a car?
No, it's called.
Oh, the car's over there.
Is that a toy?
No book.
He needs a book.
Book. Book.
What kind of book?
A book.
What kind of book? Who's on it?
Who's on that book?
It's a Toy Story.
A book. It's Tassie.
Look up, baby. Look up, Mom. Caleb.
No, it's me.
You're reading them.
Be careful, be careful. It's a brand new book.